It's your boy Stanley, and I'm back again with another banger, you guys. Make sure you guys subscribe. Alright, you guys, so
KJ's in here, we don't want to get here.
You know.
Yeah, no, fuck that. We don't want to get here without him in here.
We're out here, the gangers.
Y'all on camera.
Who are you?
Hey guys, it's me,
Megan the Stallion.
Oh, he got the camera out there. We got Stanley Stilla on the Hellcat rooftop talking.
Yup.
What the hell? Hey, it sounds like somebody started jumping.
Oh, we got the tuners. Let me line up with you, motherfuckers.
No, son.
Wait. All right, what's this?
The wide body scat. It's sitting on 245s with a red. Nah, it's a red eye though. No, that's the red eye.
Red key, red key
with the red car.
Yeah,
that's the red eye.
Yep.
Right there.
Let's get a little close up.
Literally got red eyes. Look, they got red eyes. With the
As you guys can see, it got the matte black
hood.
carbon ceramic hood. It's got the Hellcat replicas. It's the real ones.
It got
The real ones.
9 piston brakes.
Boy, if you don't.
Yeah, you know.
9 piston?
That's a red eye.
Oh,
it's a calico.
Hey, the Bumblebee he's just trolling with that, bro.
No, yeah,
that's just we just put that on there.
Trolling.
Oh,
Right here. Okay, it's a track hawk.
Yep, it's a track hawk.
It's a
Trail, he just put that on there. It's a sleeper for real.
It ain't Liberty. It's our pledge of allegiance to the flag. That's what that means.
Yep. Hey man, rev it for me, bro. Rev it for me, bro.
He shot us.
Oh,
He shot us.
V8. Yeah.
He shot us. Hey, sir, that's a backhoe?
Ooh, that motherfucker pressure. Hey though, what's this? I heard about this. Ooh,
Look.
send nudes
My nigga.
to
Daytona
Sean. You know this right here is carbon fiber ceramic purple coated.
Hold on. I still see. Get my flashlight on.
Yep, turn that flashlight on, buddy. Don't tell nobody. Ooh, that bitch sparkling on God. And guess what? The best part, bro. Ooh, that bitch glowing on my mama. Look at that, bro. Big glows.
Get that blue thing.
We got the Hellcat reels. Nah, these is real. Yep. We got 305s all around. We got 305s all around.
White business.
Yup. That's what we're doing. This ain't a Daytona, this a Hellcat.
You review my car?
Yep. Alright, so this is
A special.
That you had
A special car.
it's a special car, bro.
special car right
It's a
here.
special car.
This car is special right here, ain't
He
it?
painted it black. Cause you know,
you do so
but yeah, this is you can go black, you never go back. But this right here is we got the Hellraising color.
The black tires.
Yep, black
The black
305s.
bumper.
Black bumper.
Hold on, look. The black rims.
Black
car
rims.
can't survive a nuke. Go look at my shit.
Ooh.
Yeah, RPG. Somebody hit the
shit.
What do you mean?
Yeah,
Where his shit at?
over there. Go check
Alright,
it
come
out.
over here.
It survived the RPG.
You gotta tell us about it, bro. You gotta tell us your
Come
part.
on, bro. Come on. Come on, bro. I ain't even ready to play.
Alright, man. So, tell us about your whip, bro.
It's a 300C right here. Fast 7.
Bro, this shit won't focus, bro.
You hear me?
Yeah.
Nah, focus on this. See that?
Focus on what?
Nah, yeah. Whole goddamn back of the front.
Oh, friend.
Yeah,
Damn.
I really get wicked.
He gets wicked,
And
y'all.
guess what? Yeah, jigs. Yeah. 300 Silver Surf on Instagram, man. Follow me for more videos.
So,
man.
tell us what happened.
Man, I was spinning too much, and the ops pulled up, and when I was wanting to spin, the nigga shot my car with an RPG, made it spin 3 more times, and it blew.
And this motherfucker bulletproof? Yeah.
Nigga.
This ain't a Hemi though. This is an SRT. This is just for down badges.
No, that ain't 300. It's a slow 300.
Slow 300.
Yeah.
Boy. Woo.
Yeah. Tell him, Wade. That motherfucker 300 slow, ain't it?
Yep. And we got the what? Tell us about your car.
Back to the back. Did I show the tax?
All right. I'm feeling it. That's the best fucking sounding V8 out here, bro.
Ah, shit, my finger. Ah.
It's the best sounding V8 out here, buddy. Man, that's a big Hellcat. Big Hellcat, man. Gen 2. All right, but we're gonna see you guys on game. Y'all gotta hit the camera, man.
Daytona.
Y'all gotta hit, huh?
Daytona.
Oh, it's Daytona.
Yeah, Daytona.
Like you?
And slow 300.
But anyway, guys, we're gonna tune in back to you guys when we actually have some daily content. All right, man. We got the Hellcat, as you guys can see. We got a Camaro. Look at those wheels. Yeah, look at those hoods, bro. Oh, look at that red eye. It's a blue eye though. Yeah. We got the Camaro, we got the whole lineup over here. They ready to hit it though.
He needs some milk.
Oh, back up! This nigga's ready to spit into all y'all fat ass niggas.
1 week later.
No limit members, do not get smacked. Y'all hear this girl talking? Y'all tell me in the comment section. Yeah, we predicted it, yeah. Yeah. Got the brick, nigga. Everybody's gonna put their money out, pay for that shit. It's like crazy. Yo, turn this bitch up. Yeah. Yeah, go. Are you gonna need a new mirror, new fender, new paint? You feel me? You gonna need a. Yo, I knew you was here, nigga. I saw somebody look like you. Stars. Right now.
Yeah, I mean, just dumb motherfuckers.
Y'all calling it?
All out here doing that.
Y'all calling it?
Right, this ain't racing. Spinner race, yeah.
Get insurance out here, man. We got heavy boy. Yeah.
Where the other car?
Hey, call insurance. Tell that motherfucker to fix that shit up. Y'all gotta get insurance in this motherfucker.
Yeah, he got. He needs some milk.
Damn. Shit. I'll buy this from you. 20K. Yeah. I'll buy this from you. Aren't you nigga with the Hellcat?
Yeah, remember you stopped.
This your second car?
Nah, it's my people's.
Yeah, nigga.
Hey, you gotta quit stopping on the highway like that.
Help me?
Stanley, what the fuck, dude? These dudes.
Dude, y'all gotta call insurance. Go get your money.
Call
get
State
your
Farm. Jake from State Farm. Look, bro, look. I give you a bid for it right now.
Like a good neighbor.
I got 1,000 for you right now.
I got like a good neighbor, State Farm is there. Yo, like a good neighbor, State Farm is there.
Where'd you get it from?
Came off the pen. Woo! Where you getting this from? Yo, like a good neighbor, State Farm is there. Lock it up. Lock it up.
I gotta go sport mode on there.
Hey, put my window all the way down, Sean. It's not on it yet.
Hey! Best 5-7 slot right here.
Oh shit.
Best 5 across the sport mode.
Hell yeah! Hell yeah! Let's get it! Hell yeah! Oh shit! Oh, I'm right bought out!
Now she say I'm the one, but I ain't done before these diamonds, she ain't wanna hunch. Don't know designer, this ain't Prada, girl, these Saint Laurents. Don't like her body, so she ain't got a tummy tuck.